Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I am shooting video in 4K at 60 on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. This is going to be nighttime video and some photos only. I probably will come back with daytime stuff. I decided to break it up. I know a lot of people really like the nighttime video. But what y'all think? How does it look? How does it sound? I'm gonna zoom in. That's 10 times zoom. Look at Walmart. Yes, I'm at my famous Big Lots parking lot. Just shooting some video. Let's go back out. Look. Y'all can see Big Lots in a minute. How's the stabilization? I'm just walking, holding the phone. No type of gimbal or anything. Man, I am so excited with this phone. Like, I can't believe I didn't buy one before. So, shout out to everyone that had the Z Fold 1 or 2. Should you upgrade? If you have the 2, probably not. But, man, this phone is definitely fun. But y'all let me know what you think. Look what it does with the light, though. That's kind of weird. Kind of weird and weak. I'm going to come back with 4K at 30 and to them. Alright, so this is 4K at 30 FPS. Again, how's the mics? I think they sound pretty good. I did a little test earlier, and I think they sound pretty good, but I want your opinions. Y'all let me know. So, you can do 2 times zoom. You can do the wide angle on 4K at 30. Let's go 10 times zoom. Look, it says jacked potato. Yes, that's a potato with all kind of, what is it, baked potato? But y'all let me know. I probably would do some front facing 4K video also, because you can shoot 4K 30 and 60 with the front facing camera. Do y'all actually shoot video or take photos in low light? Do y'all go to the bars or anything? I really don't, but look, shout out to the 300. But I do these videos so y'all can actually see what y'all get if y'all gonna pick up this device or not. So I'm gonna come back with the front facing camera and also probably some photos. And to them, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the front facing camera on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. I'm shooting in 4K at 60 frames per second. What y'all think about it? How does that look? How does that sound? The camera is, not doing so well with the lights though, but yes, I'm still at my parking lot. 2 cops pulled up, said hi, what's up? I don't know what they're doing back there, but what y'all thought about the 4K at 60 and 30 and also the the photos? The cool part is in that display, the outer display, the camera can shoot in 4K at 60 and 30. The in-display camera, the under the panel, can only shoot at 1080p at 60. I might do a video just with that camera, just so we can see what it looks like. But 4K at 60, front-facing camera video. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Are y'all picking up this device? Does it just cost too much? Do you have the Z Fold 2? Because if you do, you may not want to upgrade because the cameras are the same. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Z Fold 3. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Oh yeah, don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Peace. Later.